finally. Asikhulume podcast. Hey guys, yabona Ruby kahle kahle ngifuna ungivulele case. Cause eish so ngiyenge kakhulu. Even the first episode wangiyenga and the first episode bekushisa bozudla ice block uform manje into nyalo kuyabanza nyana mara ngiyamangala ugcokele letinye kuthi hey Fere
I'm good, Kokunjani.
hey busy man Ruby yatu busy angifuni kungasho kwentekalani why ube busy so
You know, yate koko yati busy nje
ngani
promotion
Ne.
nje ngetinto tami
ne
busy nje kancane but angikhona khona.
no finally sila kamlenga kacetshwayo restaurant solo sarecorda ngefone guys siyayiphusha le content sayiphusha baby step asiyokhula sijahanga ndawo
Yeah.
because uyayithola yonke equipment but ugcina wayisebenzisanga yabo
And you
Yeah.
don't even find the right people.
you get what I'm saying because you know sometimes to find people hey bantu basekasi mfethu bachoma like I was texting someone namuhla athi ngizombhadala ngathi ngibhadala ini ngathi ngisete mina like ngathi nami ngisete something to do like ngidlule nokuthenga i-cold drink sometimes stock sweet so mina ngiyokubhadala ngani but you know musikasi injalo long time Ruby Richards I think it's 6 months 8 months
Yeah,
that
it's
episode yeah
It's
and
6
after
months, isn't it a year ago?
somewhere
I
now.
think
And
somewhere now, yeah.
and there are a lot of things that you've done after the podcast. Like,
Mm.
yes. What's going on? Lot of things that you've done. Dog. I saw you on TV. Saw you on TV at Chola 99. What was happening? Let's talk about that day first. Before everything, before they promoting that, because now we are hey, very many appointment kahle kahle. Nyalo sokugcina sikuthola sibhuka kahle kahle.
Yeah, Koko.
About
Okay.
the Chola 99 thing, what's happening? I know you need to get another iPhone, dog.
Yo, you know.
iPhone bande. iPhone bande.
I will, Koko. I will.
I
Mara,
know.
Koko, okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, as for the World Chola 99,
mm. Who write the letter to that company, to that Chola 99 thing?
apparently, like, the show was here, ne?
Yeah.
And since the show was here, so I was like called and told by like the show is here and stuff.
Yeah.
Just for shaking your country.
Yes,
You know,
yeah.
this is our country, Gogo.
Yes,
Since
yes.
you're
You're
South African, finally we shake, yabo?
Gotcha.
Why not doing it? So I was the one that wrote to the show.
Oh, okay.
Kind of like that.
Yeah.
But I didn't literally write Gule show, but I was the one that decided on making the shoot.
Oh, okay.
Yabo.
Oh, you planned it?
Yeah, it was kind of like planned, yeah.
Oh.
I can say that.
Okay. Oh.
And then, yeah, kwabang logo nje. Yo, and they trigger me. So sad now, yo!
So bebakuchithela vele.
It was based on a true story.
Oh.
It was very
because
based
mina
on a true
zange
story.
ibone
Because I was-
ngibona 2
yeah.
seconds nyana I don't know what was happening so like very ngifuna ukuyithola kuwe vele.
Yeah, it was based on a true story. I
Yeah.
broke up with the guy I love.
Okay.
I love him so much. He was
Okay.
my boyfriend. My social media friends, they knew
know,
him,
okay.
but I deleted all of the
Everything.
pictures we had.
Yeah.
I think no one or something.
Yeah,
Yabo.
mm.
I love that guy. Ngahluleki, akakangihluli,
Yeah.
hluleni, you understand?
Yeah.
Because sometimes in a relationship, when things are not working, do not fight them.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's a need to fight things to work.
Yeah,
Do you understand?
yeah.
Sometimes I'm not single if it's solo they're not working. So I decided on like shifting and letting it go. I was like, no. But young hater kakulu.
Ne.
Young hater, I do not wanna lie. But I'm okay. That happened. I'm okay, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ngile guy the past episode that we did ukuthi uyokushada.
My boyfriend,
You
the
talk
love
about
of my
it.
life. Yeah,
You talk about that one.
that's him.
Yeah.
That's him.
Let's talk about him just a little bit, Nyana, and how do you survive that thing? Because me never want to my high hopes because the
No, Coco, yeah, yeah.
so
Coco, that guy, I loved him. He loved me unconditionally.
yeah. How did you meet the guy first?
We became friends first.
Yeah.
We were friends for 3 years. We
Yeah.
dated 2 years. Shoguti 5 years of knowing each other.
Okay.
I loved him, Coco. I understood him. I got him to.
Media space.
Not in media space. Like, we're not okay. We were both not okay. I was from like
Stress Nyana.
stress nyana, and he was not okay naye, and because
Oh, okay, okay.
and I came into his life.
Mm-hmm.
I showed him that love is still here.
Yeah.
I showed him that that there's there's more to live than to like give up on love because I give up a corner.
Yeah.
I showed him that he's a cool guy and he's very educated, Coco.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm.
So me and I we were like that, and family yakhe bengithanda kakhulu, and I loved him too. Ishman lo cherry.
If phone you shoot at the same time, you're gonna be
Guys, it's
distracted.
this girl.
You're gonna be
Is
distracted.
this girl sorry?
Yeah, yeah.
Is this girl sorry? Okay, my boyfriend and I.
Hey, it's a shooter, guys. Like, not spasamisk. Yeah. Okay. Disturbance.
Guys,
Disturbance.
disturbance.
People are fighting. People are fighting, hey, guys.
Fight.
Yeah,
fight.
yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Balazuleni lapho guys.
Yeah.
Bebaphakelana. So yeah, Gogo yobangiloko nje.
So, that guy was straight before you find one another.
He was in love with me.
It's before you starting dating, he was straight.
Yeah, he was dating a
He
girl,
was dating her.
but he loved me so much. And
Oh.
it was just a relationship they didn't even have.
Yeah, bo.
Yeah, it
yeah.
wasn't.
That much of a relationship. Sibaphazamisa thina ngaseshuthi.
What a disturbance.
Sibaphazamisa thina. Hey guys, hey. Kasi, you need to have a studio. You see how it
I hate being a boy. I'm sorry, boys. But like, no,
they are
yo,
fighting.
it's uncalled for.
I know it's something else. Yeah, it's something else. Bayalo, guys. Bayalo. Maya ngesi
Okay,
vete
yeah,
camera.
asikho lapho,
Yeah.
continue, we're busy with our podcast.
Yeah.
Darling,
Sorry kancane shem. Mama. Siyashuta. Into akuthathe ngiyawuphi lapha.
kiss, man, wait.
Guys, we need to find a studio. Yaliwa
Like, yeah, we
kacetshwayo.
are gonna find a studio.
Yeah, we need to find a
Oh my
studio very.
God.
Anyone
When
lofuna kusponsorisha, guys, like we need to have a nice equipment, find our own place, decent place. Eish, I know kacetshwayo namhla basikhomba mhlolo, and we always shoot here. I always take episodes here. So yeah, you say that guy began a
So-
girlfriend.
Yeah,
And
and then ahlukana sesikhathi.
Yeah.
He had money.
Yeah.
The guy, yeah, like yabo kusesemncane.
Mama shami siyashuta saniyovakala la.
And then nasekaqala khona sekalona, and then apparently kunezinto letentekalako when you're young and you don't have plans, imali, and imali ifika ikhola.
Msindo shami uyovakala nini shem la podcast. Hey, yeah. Hey, today it's another one. Yeah. So when you're growing up and stuff, something like that, yeah.
Yabona so nje yo like become miserable naye wasicala kwema drugs and stuff and
So bekayithola phi imali?
like he was busy in the trade
Oh, okay.
and then it hit in village wapopa village wabantu. So I loved him. I
Yeah.
loved him. I
Yeah.
loved him so much.
Yeah.
I loved him and yo
Nitholana njani? So ngifuna ukubana natholana njani?
like
Like
he was
approachana njani?
originally was saying
Guys, sorry, Shem kancane.
he's petty.
Ngiyaxolisa. Yeah. Oh, he's a
Originally
baby. Oh, he's not from here.
and yeah, he's not from here originally.
Yeah.
And mina naye nakafika ngalana mina since I love people and people they love me so much and
Yeah,
we
yeah.
started being friends, let's chill and stuff. I liked him so much.
Yeah.
He had a lot of potential, not of being my boyfriend, but he had a lot of potential. He was
Yeah.
so good. He had a lot of things going. Like
Yeah.
he was easy to talk to. He was easy to chill with. That was me.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Okay.
then as I push as friends.
Yeah.
I stick with me, guys. Bushoko.
Uh,
I survived and then we started dating
Yeah.
and he was amazing.
Yeah,
He was amazing. I don't wanna lie. I cannot say wrong things about him, but
Yeah.
even though he did
Yeah.
wrong things, but I
Woke umuntu
cannot
negative
accept-
points and then
you
positive
understand?
point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Side by the way.
And then yo ekoko nje kwabangiloko nje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I decided on-
nguye lo wambhalela ubhalela le Jordan.
No,
Oh.
no,
That's
that's
another
why,
one.
that's why I'm saying Kuri, it is based on a true story
Oh.
because that story it was true and it was a written story. Vilenji lishisaga.
Nah. Oh, so he acted that time. Ethile kahle kahle lo Jordan inenga.
I can say that.
Okay. Singakhuluma
Yeah.
ngeshow yebani.
Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah.
Ne. Last time sikhuluma about you understand? And everything. You never get deep on your social life, you understand? So now you're dating someone.
Currently, I'm not dating anyone. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
I'm not dating anyone, but and I'm not open for anyone. Guys.
What happened to your past relationship? Is the one day sikhuluma ngayo nyana.
Yeah.
Ulimele ne?
Yeah, I can say that, and there's this cutting when I go I love this guy. I
Is the
love
guy
him
who look
so
pretty then?
much. Yeah,
Okay.
I loved him so much, and there's this cutting. Sometimes we see from a relationship to another one.
Yeah.
It's not
Ungakahilanga,
a good
ne?
thing.
Yeah.
Let's heal. And I've discovered that I love myself so much, but I discovered that I needed to love myself more.
More than.
Because if I didn't love myself, this would have like done so much to me. Like ngabe ingibreakade lokuthi vele ngakakhona, but since vele I had a room for disappointment in life and I love myself so much, I was like, no man, let me just let it go and move on with life. But I'm not ready to move on with good thing in love with someone. No,
Ne.
I'm not ready for that. Meaning ready for good thing.
Explore. I wanna explore. Yeah.
And this is expand my business, like do better things. This is in
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
This is I'm linked to Chapelaton.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then I can start mingling, going for search. But nyalo I'm
So-
Jolo Shem.
So you mean this guy he was a twin one because he was dating
No,
guys?
it was. I cannot call him a twin one.
Yeah.
Wabanam, Watanzana nam.
And but
Akazange-
before ngani
He's not in a relationship, and I don't think. Yeah, I can say
Ngani
he's
cala beka-date?
bisexual. Yes,
Oh.
bisexual. But the dominating side, yeah, okay, it's ngalana on
ngala kini.
my trans.
Oh, my
Yes.
trust.
So yeah, so nje, yeah, he's a cool guy. He's a
Yeah.
cool guy, even though no, never wrong. Hey, never wrong. Never wrong.
Ne.
Never wrong. Yeah, but just.
So but nyalo usa date and mombona.
No, we do talk. Angisho mina naye even though sahlukana ngibhlungu, but since we had that special thing going, so I decided on reconciling and talk, not reconciling sibuyelane. I wouldn't have a problem if we could, but no, I thought it was better if
Go
Singapore.
sideways.
Yeah. So he's still ngakungitshela kwakhe ngathi ngakhulumi ukuthi
Yeah,
ngisho
yeah.
ungitshela kwakhe ukuthi he's still not in a relationship
Yeah.
and he's still naye he's hurt ngokwakhe he's
Kanti what
focusing on
happened?
better things.
Kanti guys, what happened?
Gogo,
Kahle kahle.
Gogo, me and that
Kwenzekale
guy love
mhlambe
each other
sintshontshele kancane man le
conditional.
story
Okay.
because I think mhlambe ngito
Apparently-
sitokwenda ukuthi sinathi sicine
apparently me
sisive.
and that guy besiswe too.
Yeah.
We became together for 2 years after being friends for 2
Yeah.
years.
Yeah.
Coco, I loved him. I
Yeah.
sacrificed a lot.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
sacrificed a lot for that guy. Mina naye sibe through a lot of things.
Yeah.
Ngibe naye on his worst. Ngamnakekela, I became his friend, I became his partner, I became his body, everything. Khayibo bebangithanda bengawuyiphasi makwakhe was like that woman is amazing. Lomake is amazing. I've never in my life I've dated, I've seen people having Magitala, but that woman, if Guti I'll fuck. She's the coolest.
Yeah.
She is good because she was amazing. She's still amazing even now. I met her like not so long. She was like, Nonam, I'm so happy that you've gained weight.
Yeah.
You look
Oh, no,
pretty.
Like
You look pretty.
The pandemic.
Yeah, it is a pandemic. I don't wanna lie.
So what
That
happened?
guy ngisho bekathatha ama-habits.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Waqala ngima-insecurities. Like angathembi nedi ngathi khona yana when uyojola ngathi wena you're gonna be doing this. Yo, nami bengizevele sengibhoreka uyabona because mina kalona and he used to not even give me when who's gonna be here just because yabona if we were friends before and you know everything about me and now we're dating say when you bringing back the past in our current
Oh yeah,
you
relationship.
understand
Yeah,
so
yeah.
loko kwasha but yo mina naye saqala sasenza till sekaqala ku-acta up sekaqala kusebenzisa i-violence le beyinteka la sekaqala ukusebenzisa sandla I was like no this is not for me I can go mad I can be crazy I can turn upside down the tables right now but
Zisha.
no I'm not like that I don't like violence I'm not a violent person
Shem,
the most easiest
Shem.
I'm the most easiest and like I'm a lover of love. I love life. I love and I love people.
Yeah.
I respect them too. So yeah, now let's just cut on push up to that logo to be sad of physical like and that was not healthy for whatever we were having.
Yeah. So bekasabiyelile into kula habits akhe futhi.
Like he was
Bekasabiyele shit. Maybe that's why the violence besakhona ne insecurities.
so yo well.
Nah.
Double.
So when the last time you took a decision, Sinyalo, I know now it's over.
No, it was December. No, the pen.
Manje say anihlali phansi njengemndeni wakhe namakwakhe.
We did. I don't wanna lie, we did.
Yeah.
Now I came like higher because like we were so close. Both families make us so. You understand?
Yeah.
Wahlala phasi. Our parents thought it was best for us to separate.
Nah.
That relationship was very toxic.
Nah.
It was very, very toxic. So like
Yeah. So ifamily yagcina ingenelela la kulenzayo.
yeah.
Baba, manyana, awushonele le kancane lo msindo wenu.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. That's why bangayifunde lo la. And
Because the fight with the last fight we did,
Yeah.
it was a kaya, like everyone intervened. Like, yo, my family came out, she baba a trailer in Manila, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it for my own reputation, for a reputation. A family, I was
Yeah.
like, no, this is not me.
not anymore.
I love him, but I cannot let him to like lead me to this shit. So I just decided on letting him go. Hey, ngisathi kanti yena shokuthi bekalone. That day, thatha idona video. Thatha dikhiyatam with kule fight it. He took my
Dikhiyatam?
bag.
Just saying.
Like he took my bag,
Oh
my
yeah,
handbag,
okay.
they were my keys from the salon. The salon, my friends, they calling me every queen. Let me just go there.
Yeah.
And hey, he took my things. He like went to the salon, he took my things and stuff and stuff and stuff.
Oh.
Which sang lie, Yo, Gogo, I was down and out. That broke me into many pieces. Yo, and then I said no, Makasonke. The only way to get these things endaweni yato and uphume lelona ngingasebenzisi violence.
Yeah.
Let just include amaphoyisa.
When sendimele more protection order muslim.
Ngathi protection order. Ngathi lona vele kwabangoni. And then sengilekhathi se kalona and naye wadecide wabona ukuthi that guy loved me. Labatiko bayathi. I loved him. Mina naye beso like every day, check up 5 times a day. Yo. Like I was like, no, Makasonke, just leave this.
Yeah.
And my place, I'm someone I'm protection order vele. And I was like, no, since I just lost the love of my life, let me just go for like a breather.
Yeah.
Wahamba. He moved to like Pretoria.
Yeah.
His
Oh,
dad
it's no longer around. It's no longer around
his
now.
dad is located that side.
Yeah.
He moved to Pretoria. Oh my God. He's doing amazing. He's doing very well.
Isn't it?
Yeah. And hence I told you he's
Yeah.
a very smart guy.
Yeah.
Ambitious, full of life. And I've had a lot of things in common. So Naminga Sala Nana, and it was for the best, Koko, because yeah, eventually Vili I know Guba Kwakilana, Beso Builan, Begayong approach and Beso Kinesik lead you fight and then you don't think that totally Baya from a Kapula, you understand? So and then I intentional I'm trying to protect myself while I'm protecting myself in the wrong way. So I was like, no, let's just break up. Oh, we broke up. That tore me apart.
It's not so easy still today,
It
ne?
wasn't. It was no. Now.
Yeah, that's now. How many months?
We broke up December.
6 months, 7 months.
7 months. Yeah.
So how do you cope? How do you cope? Because this one is the one who break you. That's why you say is your love of your life.
I love him. I don't wanna lie. I love him. I don't love him but I love him. We can be friends again. And carry on living life.
Ne. I think that guy though never because there's a forex guy nje abantu imali elokishini bagcina bambalekise and stuff. Is that one? Ne? Yeah, I heard something like that. Yeah, I think it's the one. Okay, yeah, no. Ay, that's the one. Asikubalanga ligama lakhe friend. Ne. So ukhopha njani like ngifuna understand abantu abaningi like laba to relationship in any relationship yabo ukuthi how do you survive that thing because when mhlambi you glad unenhlanhla ukuthi bamsusile ngala yabo just imagine uhlala umbona almost every day that person.
No, in relationship ngabonana every day gogo, but I believe in ukuthi a relationship ifuna beketelela.
Yeah.
Hence I said a relationship two ways. Imnanzi asimnandi.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And the impilo vele injalo.
Injalo, yeah.
Imnanzi asimnandi. So when if ungakhona ukumaintain just leave.
No.
Because njengoba ngisho nyalo sebantu abasakhona kulona abantu selive selapho labantu sebathatha ama habits bantu sebathola ngezinto edingekho right just because ukuthi they want to prove themselves ukuthi banema power and stuff. Like bantu they using my relationship as advantage you ukusebenzisa ama anger abo bantu banema anger gogo bantu banema trauma bantu ba depressed na. So in relationship I feel no relationship come clean. Relationship needs love, as it is uthando, communication, time, respect, understanding. It's getting and nesikhathi igama lina form alphabet.
Just the causa
yabo
the causa kufa
define that into leti so meaning I like say right.
So before that guy you were not dating before?
I was.
Yeah.
Left, right, and
But you say this one will break it.
No, I thought you said breaking my
Oh,
heart.
your heart.
Not
Oh.
breaking me, as
Eh,
in like breaking me. No, no.
Ah.
I lapho yo. I'm full no good. I'm full no good. See, anyway, because he's the craziest.
Nah.
What I ligas.
Don't want to attract some mahlangi. Kind of.
No, no, he's not crazy, but like let go to tihlangela ukuthi lona vele madumana lelikazi ngokuhlanya so asikho lawo. Yabo.
Nah, into the basic man last time na sweetness. Good thing. There are people like walk around like guys and bathi bona ngibongosana party. Ngaze kushayela isikhathi siyaguquka. Ngibe ndani ka nisendani ka? Eh?
No,
Nisendani like.
mandotshela wena kokone there's this thing of bandunyalo bantu sebathanda explorer. One thing I realized about people, bantu sebathanda tinto, and the bantu bana that impression, that perspective ukuthi, yeah, if I can date a gay person or a trans person, like vele nje,
Yeah.
no, being gay, being trans, being lesbian, being whatever, doesn't mean that when you don't deserve love, firstly,
Yeah.
doesn't mean that you should buy love. Doesn't mean that there's no one that loves you.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean that you're never gonna get love. Doesn't mean that good bantu laba goisha la goisha kon.
Yeah.
Just saying, it's just that bantu banema impressions up.
Yeah,
Just and
yeah.
I wouldn't blame labanye ngade ba approach abantu because I know like a lot of gay people, especially the straight looking gay
Yeah.
people. I know that most of them like they love using lona. Ganzi, it's not like they're using that, they are desperate, they're using malkhona ukuthi umuntu okay umthanze and uyabona ukuthi this person is not into the community.
Yeah,
and you know money can make tindo tendeke, you understand? And then they use that, but it's not like they're not loved. They are loved. There are people who love them. There are people who need them.
Yeah.
Ukuthi by need, by in demand, you understand? It's just that Mpumalanga futhi la Mpumalanga lana kunebantu laba they think that they are out but they're not out.
Yeah,
Do you understand? Kunabantu laba ukuthi but they still Mpumalanga is so food incane and nebukhanya na yeah I mean dating makusonke bonke kanjani the chance do you understand? But how when what you feel when kuwe
Yeah.
this is ufila let's cut you want me so why like I believe into noyifuna
You go for it.
you go for it. Do you
Ngama
understand?
nobhampe sofike.
Ubhampe sowufikile yes so ungaloni bathanda tinto they love experiencing nyalo hey nabo lomdzala badlangile vele
Ngivile ukuthi kubhizi.
hey nabo
Ngivile
lomdzala
ukuthi kuref.
nabo lomdzala babhizi ngabo bhuti wethu ngebangani bethu but asikho lapho nakhona net I'm trying to elaborate this here ukuthi people they think that this is a game no when you gay, when you trans, when you let me not even mention that when you're in the LGBT community,
Yeah.
when you deserve to be loved also. You
Yes,
deserve
yes.
to love. You deserve everything. It's not like you're different. No, we're not different.
Yeah.
We're not different in or we are not different. We're human. Like it's just that people Maranyalo Futinyalo, a lot of people are well informed about the sexuality part. They are in denial.
Yeah, they are.
I'm trying. I cannot let this sink in, baby, because of this. Do you understand? I wouldn't blame them. It's their belief, but at the end of the day, this is alive. This is real. You understand? Being gay doesn't mean that you need to be isolated,
Afraid,
you need
yeah.
to be afraid. No, like you should live your life. And even if you're a straight man or you're a straight lady, you have a feeling for another woman or you have a feeling for another man when you're a straight man. It doesn't matter. That's how you feel most. That's how you feel. Don't deny that.
So tell me, ngifuna kubuta la kulabo nomdzala ne akusisithwala esikhatsini esiningi because most of them lapha enda lokho basuka banemali laba benda lokho majida njengabafowethu sengimnyabekisa ne ngisuke ngithusa ngilambile ngifuna kubamba standard thizeni but aren't you think ukuthi isithwalo sithizeni?
Yeah, I can say that. Swallow thizeni khona lomunye umngani wami ngala kukhubazisa ngemali like ugobela vele like
Yeah.
so wangitshela mina
Yeah.
khona lo singala stikhipile singala kukhubazisa
Yeah,
ngitshela
yeah.
bo come got this other big shot yo vele ngiyangifuna vele He was like, no, Mgani, can I talk to you about Lona?
No Kobela win no matane. Or is gay or whatsoever.
He's straight.
Or is straight. Or it's a guy.
It's a guy.
Okay, yeah.
But see, Mgani, I cannot beat around the bushes.
Yeah.
And I do not normally like disclose
Such things, yeah.
such things. But what I can tell you is that lapha ungayi. But akazange wabadirect ukuthi
Why?
lo muntu lo ngizungayi ukuthi wena so
Why?
wathi
Why?
ngoba angisho mina futhi ngimzala and
So yeah, clever,
Yabo.
bona into yeah.
so wathi kimi ngisilaphana ungayi ngoba bantu bathola wrong abantu bathola ukuthi they want that na. I was
Yeah.
like okay.
Yeah.
Yabo, I was like, and he was a cute guy, the guy. Yabo, I was like, no, savile sadlula lapho. So sekubuye sekuhlangana everything vele yabona khona ukuthi vele labo lomzala they use that.
Yeah.
They use that nemali futhi imali wena gogo imali can make you do shit. Imali ikuniketa lamanye wena bo right sibonga uqale kuba nemali isaqala wena sofuna into fetish sofuna kumatrisam sofuna you understand those kind of things. And those things tipusha in Nepal when I ngisho vele excuse me over like Nepal and stuff and stuff. So
attract some other spirits kahle.
Yabo, so nje bayendela lokho and it's not like usibona umzala kude bona umzala laba bisexual bakhona la likazi ngisho nebafana like hey not even likazi everywhere they bafana man, you understand, but we cannot disclose that, but they are doing it after 9 you understand, but asikho lapho futhi and they're not wrong, that's how they feel. So essentially this thing it's real ikhona and the less of some people they should stop being in the club and should come out.
Kahle kahle. Eish, cause like likazi ngathi dominate kakhulu. Ngombe ngilothi ngituka le space. Mamazi, ngicela utshela phela ukuthi ngiyarecord le moto shem noma ngayicima ne noma like likazi ngathi dominate kakhulu lento le. Like kakhulu likazi angathi kumbe ngilothi ngila kule area la likazi.
No, besides that wena gogo people nyalo isikhathini sanyalo akusafani nesikhathini sithimilisa come out ngazi. Okay, mina I was out, you know me.
Yeah, mina
I was me. I didn't care about uri muntu urinka no. Mina I was me out and about, like I lived my life for no one except myself. Young decision. So vile ngathi iphumela out of the closet. I was like that trans dude that I was flourishing. But nyalo labanye futhi wena gogo lebediwa ukuthi this thing
ayisafiki
so uthabuka why not and nyalo vele nalamaswag sekaba alawa like you can swag like boys sebayina ababhabha and shine ngiyabona sebayina amalona you understand. So nje the swag accommodates you, so that's why people kuba easy ukuthi baphume out of their nutshell babe right. But I mean what I'm gonna advise them is guys, agumandi kuba colorful kumnandi guys kumnandi.
So hey yabona lento lokubosho yona like some other like 2 weeks back bengise ematrafing bekunemsebenzi wasekhaya sengibe nginaseswami yabo mina you know vele khona those days bengihlala ngihleli namantombazana so nabo sesweni yathi now se masikhe laphana ukuthi bekune free alcohol yabo lapha bekhona khona medium naturally seswami ucela tshwala ukuthi apha sekupheli ucela someone else lapha besihleli napha abasibangani yabo uyamnika usi yathi uniketela ndo tshwala uniketa ukuthi ngithanza lo mina ngithanza amagay yabo and noma wouldn't say something, say anything because umupha tshwala yabo nento le and if mina bengitoba denial ukuthi lento le ikhuluma that moment bebathi umncisho lo tshwala so okay base hey utawudliwa musna ngase sister uthi ngoba ufuna ukunika tshwala so like ngiyadibuza sevele bani bacabanga ukuthi ngigay labanye bebathi mangihamba but hey ngathi yabo lento le so mhlambe ngiyafuthi sengiwese ngifake amacici bathi do nyerevele kazi lento yakusevela ngaphandle yabo. So mina solo ngithuswa ngilento ukuthi lento ngasi kakhulu bayiveta mase batsakiwe because mase nilathi indzaweni yabo sorry
go to cut you. utshwala utshwala vele nale like group phela egroup ngilaba phela emini like emini kuthi uyadihambela use-complex like uyibona this thing you on your senses and they blame it on the alcohol. I do not blame anything on alcohol. I've never did that in my life because utshwala bukwenda wende into lofisa kuyena nedi bumnikeza the courage on doing that thing. Do you understand? So when nasenginalo tshwala vele so uthi uyabuka amakhosi nke badle ama-love dance vele hayi on vele uthi no nemanga lana siwithin yabo. So yeah, I think that's why vele nje kwende kanjalo etshwaleni
because ngani nathi as guys sometimes asisakhona ukuspana umsebenzi eminingi seyingala kini trust kakhulu ingala tukomantombazane kakhulu, you understand? So it's either we date older women or we date gays most of the time. That's what we saw like lamakasini ethu because sifuna kubamba idrip ngengane sifuna kubamba ama-istrophe ngengane champagnes ngengane and vele you'll fall phela siyabutha into leyo one kusinkosana kasebenzi, you understand? I'm not working, I'm not doing anything but every weekend on point njani mama sibabuka ekhaya hayi man this guy man asihambi chiki sobamrentele ilflat ubhizi ngani nini sengishuthile sengiseskebheni chiki mina sengishuthile ngithenge isicathulo sa-17,000. How come dog angikho briefing any briefing angithenderish, I'm not doing anything. How?
Ngibonomdala gogo hence we were saying like ngibonomdala and leso sikhathi nalabo balona labo ukuthi labafana obviously now dependent kumake labadzala do depend like labasebenzisa my gay brothers on ukuthi babe mama lona ma boss money spender babo so basebenzisa lokho and obviously gogo there's nothing that comes easy when you want the easy way. Do you understand? Ngafuna easy way, there's nothing nefika easy to lapho ngoba khumbula ukuthi labo nomdzala the reason they take advantage is because I think babona ukuthi ngathi bona they are spending somewhere the way they losing somewhere where they need to understand. Labo mage they are spending because nabo they're gaining something, but there's nothing said on like Tanza Mundu umthanzile for what that person has or ukuthi lona ngoba lo muntu lo awumthanzi inedi ubanjwe kunetinto leto sikhathi siwabuka khanze ukuthi ngiyendeke endleni so le muntu omthanzako ukuthi lo yami. Do you understand? But angingikhona ukuba nayo because I want this, so it's better. That's why ngisho ngithi now tithanza wena and they think that they love themselves. Now tithanza wena you wouldn't do tinto for ukuthi ngiyendela for ukuthi maintain stability lifestyle ngiyendela ukuthi happiness yami please mina ngabo lapho shayile this chai lapho like you're going to live your life to the fullest end lesikhathi ubuphilela wena because if utophilela ukuthi I want to like ngifuna nangifika lapha eBlack Queen basho bathi yolitafula lapho lapho banangeli ugaciwi vele outfit on but I'm not happy. Like I'm not happy, like I want love but the mali le ngiyithola khona
something else
angishangitshele athi dance for me lesikhathi kufanele you understand akutshele akufase uyakhomanda lo muntu ukhipha imali at the end of the day. Do you understand? So it's not nice. I wouldn't advise anyone on doing that. I wouldn't like, that's not a great thing to do.
Ngifuna sikhulume about that one who break you and that one uthi uyahlanya yabo ngitholana njani ngicela he was straight or no he was
he was straight.
So what
like hi I don't know if it's 2013 or 14. He moved to the side. I mean, I saw a guy. By that time, he was working at Panarotics. I saw a cute guy smoking weed. I'm like, it's just that mini. I don't like throw myself into people. I don't. You understand? Okay, I came. Logo. My mutual people that I know. He became my mutual friend. Velim. Sister, we have joints and stuff. So
Yeah.
that's where we got to know each other. Like ngamkhona kulona bengibona
Funza
and then
inqondo yakhe, yeah.
solo start lapho satala since abangani after being friends we became very close after being close and then it's where we dated. So me and I we had a good thing going. Sibangani we had a good thing going. Si Tanzania because besatana like lwana bengakhona ukumyenga sometimes noma ngithi ngimyengile yabona ukuthi uyangathi naye bengakhona ukumyenga noma sekafuna ukushala ama habits akhe ngisho ngizobona wena sowudleta indoda yakho ngiyakubona and ngiyakwathi umuntu wakhe manje. So yeah, that was it. That was it. And like ngibe khona njengoba ngishilo ngibe khona la bengangidzinga khona kakhulu ube khona la bengimdzinga khona kakhulu even though he forgot.
Kan wena uba khona through labantu laba indoda abudibhetsa khona kokugcina uba comfort ngani kanti lengaka because even the other one
I'm like that. I'm like that when I go on it. I'm like even my friends they can account on that. Like if they won't like ngaba nguma because they know. I'm like that.
Yeah.
And ngutshele ukuthi ngidiscover ini ngikhathi ngisafuna discover self love.
Yeah.
Ngidiscover ukuthi I'm always there for people. I'm always positive for people. If they could come to me, yo, show me. I'm not like, oh, baby. Like, I'm gonna be there. Like, if I'm at failure or I'm having something, I'm doing or makeup. I'm good in cooking and setting up, like that's
That's your thing.
That's my thing, yeah. So I'm gonna be there, like emotional support. Like I'm like that person. Like, I love people. Hence, I said I'm a lover of love.
Yeah.
Like and especially me, I went through a lot.
Okay.
I went through a lot. Like things that I cannot even state.
Yeah.
But yeah, I went through a lot, and I go through them. And sing right, yeah, you understand. So if Mundu Akamuga with a certain situation, and be like, no. Now this was me 5 years or 6 years ago, and I got help, even though it wasn't that much of help, but I got help, and I did help myself as well, and right, and I wouldn't leave someone who's in a certain situation. So I'm very much supportive to my family, to my friends, anyone. I'm so supportive, and I'm a good listener. So because I used to do that for myself. I mean, if I'm breaking, I used to be shy on figure going into like I'm breaking, I'm not okay. So it used to like chow me out, and now I'm not okay. I mean, and I have to portray the smiling and stuff so that people they could think that I'm not serious. But no, that is killing me. Only cutting busy go process self-love. Hence I said if you're gonna do a thing which you're trying to please the person, not
you'll have a problem.
Like you're gonna have a problem because that's not you. You understand? So meaning I did it from me, but I used to not do it to me. So that's why I was like, no, let me start by
not
doing
anymore.
it to me and doing it for others. So I'm me like.
So the guy, so you had relief phela une stress and always comfort him and une girlfriend and you used to smoke together, chill together, so you're mad in and out. So yathi isugcina athi eish lana ngathi sengitoba kahle ngibe comfortable la F word all those things la ngizilima zetsheni
awangiloko nje awangiloko and then abeka sahlukene nale girlfriend yakhe besasikhathi sikahlukene after him being broke and stuff losing his money and stuff basahlukene mina I came
sekubhetha kahle kahle
sekubhetha and lo yobeka nganenzaba naye because like wambona ukuthi bekamuntu lo awufike awamthola asa financially stable wafike waba ukuthi mina I'm there for the finances and stuff and I loved him for who he was by that time not what he had and stuff and kai kuba right wakwakho right magilo 70 la kahle uyeba nakela abantu bakhe kakhulu like ubakhulise kamnandi
so nifika njani to the stage ukuthi enyalo phela sekufuna sokugamlana manje sifuna noshaya iganga style because that guy is straight
Yo, oh my God.
Because when I think nguwe phela ufuna umhlakani phela because yena uphasi ngani.
No, good and to find meaning I'm very forward. I'm like this, I'm like that
yeah.
girl. But like, yeah, nah. So good see na why no na ngisho meaning once I put you in friend zone, it's shy. I'm not gonna have any feeling for you, even though I can have a crush on you. But it's get got to know each other.
So much
I don't. So there was this other time he texted me like to come smoke with him. He was like, "Come out, I want to kiss you." I was like, "What?" I laughed. I called him. I was like laughing.
Yeah.
I was like,
Which
"What?
one is this one?
You want to kiss me?" Like, okay. And then by the time I got there, yeah, and kiss. Like, he showed you like, and then we laughed about it. And it said he acted as if like he didn't mean it, because he meant it. Yeah, shy over. And we're from.
Oh, that day as a kiss.
Yeah, we were from Groove, and then Sister Kopogabo. He's dropping me at my house.
Drive.
Yeah. He was driving. He's dropping me at my house. How?
I see you the forest guys, ne?
He's the one.
Okay.
Yabo. I said, "Naya, nangcela ngina ngolala nawe, yabo." Isiminulala namjani. I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna just to
share
bed with you, nothing much." I'm like, "No, next time, yabo." Because I was not compatible. I was like, "No, you're my friend." It was chai. Yabo. Hey, this other time, no, this guy is not making a move. I made a move.
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
He made he gave me the signal, and then I went on with the lead. I made the move. I held his hand. I told him that I want to kiss him. I kissed him, and we did it.
You were both sober at that time.
We were so drunk, and we did it, and it was amazing.
First time.
It was.
Gaga.
Oh my God, it was amazing. It was amazing. We grew. Winter. And then apparently balwa kwaba ne conflict la balwa ukuthi abantu bayalwa khona njengoba bekiliwa nje la. Nabalwa how okay, it so happened, but like I don't know what happened because like a glass kumbe bottle of beer just tail up, and it was freezing. So I was late, I couldn't go home. Kanti lapho emotweni bekane throw. I don't know what was the throw for. I do not know.
You never asked for that.
I didn't even ask. Wahambona the throw, and then he gave me in. He covered me and ngala naye uthi cover the shit. Hey, Belinda was like,
"Ngemotweni."
Hey, nasisi. I was like, "Yo, I want to kiss you. I'm so drunk." And he was like,
"What?
To kiss me? No." Then by groove.
Okay.
He was like, "You want to kiss me?" Yeah, and I want to kiss you.
What is that?
Okay, let's just go aside, and then we kissed. Yo, and then the kiss was amazing, and then we went to the same time we did it, and then it was yo okay, yo hey yo
Khuluma girl.
hey okay khona yo. Can I please not say this? Yo, ngakusakhona vele nje wavuka singekho right, like yo. But like he loved it. I enjoyed it and stuff. And then he was like, yeah. And there's just cuts him. First thing in the morning, he came to check me and stuff. And so I was like, no. Because we were friends. And we did what we did, and then he went to go drop me at home. And then I didn't say.
Check out omunye phela kufuna nicheckane uthi hey good yinto.
And he came so cute. Oh my God.
Oh, that day was so cute.
Yeah, he was cute. No. We like this. Nje kwabangiloko nje we dated. It's where the journey started. I do not forget. It was on the 11th of July.
2000 and
like 2 years back. 2 years back.
How long break it 2 years back?
No. Yabo. So nje kwaba on. Till kwaze kwafika
The stage.
The stage sokuthi sesaqabana vele sesihlukana.
So did you ever find a person in a group, ne? And this person go on street, you understand?
Yeah.
And he offer you some alcohol, and mhlawumbe akakuboni ukuthi
Yeah.
hayi man.
Ukuthi kwenzakalani,
Yeah, yabo. And
sexuality and whatnot.
yeah, akuthangele vele etshwala kube busy. Akuthatha hambe nawo. Manifika endlini kutholakala ukuthi hayi man. Which one is this one?
Yeah.
Did you ever experience?
I once had such an experience
Yeah.
long time ago. By the time I was in a closet myself, I don't want to lie. There was time where no, not to my community members,
Yeah,
people
yeah.
like people that know me. I was not in the closet for them.
Yeah.
But like girl, I was that girl at the time, skinny,
Yeah.
having
You're so-
shape. You know, saying it's dude,
Yeah.
that thing,
Imali yangena
No,
guys. Yangena.
no, I'll be
Chankura.
happy.
Yeah.
Yabo, unagogo. And so I met this other guy, he went to be my friend Vilubambi guy, and the guy Mganwaki, oh singing, yabo, and the Mganwaki, Vilupeta, Bona, little bones, short,
Yeah.
bigger, Majaiva,
Yeah.
and the guy Velatio, Velanga, Butiksan Masarita. Sarita.
Utsala must be 2010 lapho.
Yes, 2010. You got it right, Coco. Sarita knew him. A guy was like, and I mean, a guy was not gonna find out. Apparently, there was this other sneaky link, something like Kai. He died, but he died.
So
He was my
RIP.
sneaky link,
Yeah.
Yabo, so shokuthi sneaky link uthi nhlaya ngibona gogo sa kuba closet ngifake ibra vele.
Yeah.
I want people to think that I'm a girl and
Yeah, yeah.
I'm ngithi ibra vele girl.
Zakha.
Onanya lo libele aneni kalo.
Makeup.
Bengayifaki ne makeup lapho bengisasengimi.
Yeah.
Okay, vele guy vele igama lakhe bebambitanga his initials are PK. I cannot.
Yeah. Or PK.
Yeah. Yabo.
Shout out to PK.
Yabo. Kwa PK vele bonile vele khanzile vele athenga itoko. Manje sneaky link abone ukuthi hayi mina ngifasile sneaky link afike athi na yakuka ngikakhulumisa hayi lona athi na ukuthi kwenekalani ngamntana lo naye kwenekalani. And I didn't say anything of my sexuality I'm chill, guy freaked out guy I denied guy like this shit is real now.
Serious, yeah.
This shit is real. Okay, Asher, and then like he fought me like he was fighting me, he choked me.
No man.
I'm telling you.
Lapha kaputsipo.
I was packing apart. Like my ninja Kunyulisa, I ran for my life. I ran. He was like in the car chasing me. Like he doesn't know what's in Guinea. He cannot even see me. Like,
Ngongena by barracks.
I saw the car going up and down. I was like, no.
Friend wakho ku.
Friend, but inside, bathenga. Friend nakaphuma guy. Yeah, no, we're not going to change. It was a thriller in Manila. It was a story and a half. Yo.
Uthi ngikayifuna imali yakhe.
Akafuna imali yakhe. He's pissed off. Like, it's when I decided on since that day when I go, I never. Meaning, if you come to me, there are a lot of people come to me with the mentality of yeah, it's a girl. But Jay, are you sure? Like, I mean, I'm trans. I understand if you don't understand, I elaborate and stuff. Yeah, I understand. Just because sometimes when I go, it's not even a sometimes thing. Aksikahle ukuthi ulile umuntu on and then abe happy ukuthi lona khona omunye umuntu ngeke umthola usingle partner udibonele potential type yakhe. Do you understand? Umleader on athabuka phela ngoba phela bonke yana vele banathi ufike lapha ngala naso jayivile so shake brothers vele so ubale ukuthi hayi ngoba thathu noma one yabo. And so so many my high hopes of a thing that is not gonna be even real, So I had to and labanye bantu they like relate like act in different ways. Labakwati, you understand? Labanye if munda spam can take a gun and shoot you like that. If mundu like under something that can like hurt you, like can you understand? So it's where I started even advising my girls, my trans sisters, but like guys, let's not be in a closet. Let's not be scared on telling
Coming
people
out.
about like I'm
Yeah.
gay, I'm
Yeah.
trans. Do you understand? So because mundu nakakuthandza, and hence I said nako kufanele athande
Wena
wena for
bakho.
who you
Yeah,
are.
yeah,
Do you understand?
yeah,
Akakuthandzi ukuthi yeah, na since ungitshelile ke I'm just gonna see what
Mm.
happens. You understand? Abe adi ngoba
Eish, semhlabeni.
kubhizi.
So I saw Sweetness untshintshile ID, new
Yeah,
ID, new
yeah.
everything, new name. Wena so uqalile.
Yeah, I'm in the process. I'm
Yeah?
in the process.
Mm.
Mm,
Mm.
Home Affairs and approve it. They've sent me the forms and stuff and stuff and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm in the process. But mini my I'm not gonna change it.
Okay.
The reason why yo like my family politics and my dad, it's from a Trinity. I
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
stick back but into Vilingiti.
Yeah.
Summarize gangan. So yeah. So I cannot change it because of that, Gogo. And yeah, the journey is amazing. The
Yeah.
journey is amazing. The girls are doing good.
Yeah.
The journey is amazing. I started before born about fitness.
Okay.
Yeah, I started before, but yeah, it's just that meaning I was busy and I couldn't focus much on this. But I've been being multitasking, negative focus this side and this side. So
Okay.
yeah, the journey is good. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Now there's or yeah, supplier my hormones.
Yeah.
But now we're working on like getting them from our government sectors, like
Yeah.
Bukiniki, hospitals and stuff,
Yeah.
so that if lama private organizations
Yeah.
abalwa and kubaphelelwa ama-funds, you
Yeah.
understand? So we shouldn't be left like that,
Yeah.
you understand?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
this thing, it's gonna be like so usemisa ijeni labo iqalile and a journey that is amazing,
Yeah.
a journey that is so breathtaking.
Yeah.
Just and because there's nothing painful like to be trapped in a body that's not yours. Like I want to be like this. I want this, but I'm trapped in this body. There's nothing. Hence, I said there's nothing painful like put you in the Indo just because you want to please someone or like you want to accommodate
Yeah, yeah.
something. No, do everything holy like you want to
Yeah,
make yourself
yeah,
happy.
yeah.
You understand? So yeah, that's the journey. Oram is a good institute. It's a city center on top of Prestige.
Okay.
Like it's amazing. Like it's
Free of
not
charge?
only yeah, it's
Okay.
it's free of charge, but only for it caters for men and the LGBT community, but the gays and the transgender. And I think lesbians, they are also accommodated if they want transactioning.
Okay,
They want to
okay.
transact to like male.
Male, okay.
You understand? So they are open for everyone. There's me as the face of Oram. Big
Huh?
chat, yeah.
Are you for real? Are you lying?
like
What's
there's
in the
me,
bone?
like you know, there's me outside them. I'm the face of Oram.
Okay.
Like, gee, you can come go there. You'll be like, yeah, I was referred by my Kosonki.
Yeah, yeah.
Like I'm here to know more about whatever is happening. Do you
Yeah,
understand? So yeah.
So dog, so my sponsor mswena.
not really
Yeah,
like
who-
sponsors. Yeah, I can call them sponsors,
Yeah.
but they're not really sponsors because Minilapana, I started the journey. I started the journey as a co-group member. I remember I was
Okay.
a co-group member, and when by the time the journey started, okay, it was Anova. Ingale what is that street? Moray Street. Ingale Coyotes and stuff. Understand? And we worked with them, like very well. Got people to sort of Oram. Understand? I come with them from long time, and then this is like, yo, it's a very amazing journey. It is, and yeah. So yeah, that's how I got into the phase of but yeah, it's an
So you,
amazing journey.
but you're getting money every month because advertising out of
It's not like the medication I'm getting, the deal I have with them, of transactioning. It's a deal that if I was paying, I would pay plenty of money. Do you understand?
Okay.
That was a deal for me, and it's a great deal. Like
Yeah.
I've got, like it gives you a lot of opportunities. Like that, like. So I've got opportunities now, and even now we're planning Pride. The one that will be taking place this Saturday here at Black Queen.
Okay.
We're planning it. Apparently,
Ngoba kunekalana Black Queen.
we had like there's gonna be Pride. Like people people who are my friends on social media, TikTok, Facebook, I posted.
Yeah.
There's a chat there, go back to Pride since the Prime Man.
Okay.
Yeah, but so we're also celebrating it. Apparently, I wanted it to be something immersive. I wanted it to be something big. Apparently, kwaxashana tinto la nje le khona la bengibhizi khona abengikhulume ukuthi the venue, the exact venue that the event was going to take place. So I was like, no, they cannot shift the event on taking place, but instead it can still happen. But the support Bantu and the love of our community, we are going to be there in numbers. We are going to be there in colorful outfits. We are going to be there celebrating our sexuality, our community, and the flag. We'll be raising it high, city. We are colorful. We bring it to Ligazi. Like we still trying to take this mentality of being in the closet out and you understand and show them. But no, this thing is alive. You see, I even did my nails. They're so colorful.
Yeah, you're having a sponsor.
Yo, I see.
You have a sponsor, the moon, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, if I'm good in promoting, I promote that.
Yeah.
Social media, I promote people's businesses, I promote my business, you understand? So yeah.
But people buy abuya kuwe babonge would say no.
They do. Trust me, they do. People I'm working with, they are very grateful of having me. They are very much grateful of working with me because we're having Indolera, and at the end of the day we're bringing Nyalo. We're gonna be doing Ilona. I'm gonna be promoting for my sister, my friend. She's my sister. She's my love. We're gonna be having my soul session. No, every Sunday. Yeah, I'm sure there's
next to the complex.
Yes, next to the complex. Yeah, outside we're gonna have umbrellas, and inside it's gonna be a setup.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
We're gonna bring my Sunday section, come eat with us, Sunday souls.
But kufuneka liqwale because then
but even though no people are more than welcome. Do you understand? Because we're gonna be having different kind of food. Do you understand? And food, there's nothing brings people together like food. Do you understand? Food brings people together, good music. And we're going to be having live bands there. We're going to be having cocktails there. We're going to be having a lot of entertainment. We're going to be having 360. SK, we're going to be having photographers, my content creators. You understand? So it is open for machilas. You come into your cooler box, you go there. Yeah, they're it's still coming. We're still planning it. So I'm just saying, you understand things like that. Because Sibandu when I go, finance empoweration and when you're doing. Hence I said even on the last podcast, what you're doing is amazing.
Yeah,
do you understand?
Thanks.
What you're doing is super amazing. Do not feel bad if someone can. Yeah, my so no, Joe having busy, but I'm here,
I understand.
and I was not gonna ditch you and not do this. You understand? I was gonna come for you. I was gonna do it because there's nothing better than empowering your black brother, your black sister. Because at the end of the day, Belungu, they're empowering themselves, Botswana. You understand? So nothing we should do that.
Yeah, we must. Yeah.
So what you're doing is amazing.
Thanks
I would love to invite you also the weekend. The opening.
Oh yeah.
No,
Oh, okay.
So that you can come and have a podcast day, me and my friend, mini podcast. So, you understand? Because what you're doing is great.
Thanks a
people,
lot.
they should respond well. Please, South Africa, guys, this guy, what he's doing is amazing.
Thanks
it's not all about Guti. He wants to know about you. Your
We
private. It's like.
It's education at the same time. That's
it's
the
very
reason.
educational, and when I go talking is therapeutic. You understand? Kukhuluma kune-therapy.
Kakhulu.
But I cannot find it easy to talk to when umngani wami ngisho ngithi, "Oh, gogo, so but when like you just invited me to your podcast, ngifike things that I bengacabanga nokuthi ngidodi khuluma and nakhona ngibona ngihilekile because I needed to voice that out. I needed to talk to someone and tell and not only when I lalela, the whole of South Africa, they're going to be listening to that. There's going to be comments, silly comments, good comments and stuff. So yeah, that's empowering.
No, sivala. In closing, last words you can say, people laba closet, laba saba kuphuma ngaphandle.
I was like, love yourself. I'm gonna say, what's the word of the day?
How you word of the day? Okay, what's the word of the day?
No, it's not actually a word of the day, but it's like a word of life. I can say to people labago closet, to people who are not only labago closet, to people who love or who are doing things for Gucci. They're trying to please someone or they're trying to please a certain do you understand thing. Don't. Self-love is important. Love yourself before anything. Like, do not put anything before you. Love yourself. When you're the one loto corner controller everything. So if you're not gonna love yourself, no one will love you. And don't forget to love God, people.
Yeah, that's true. So if bantu bafuna ukuthi ubancede about sponsor or about mental issues and everything like that, bakuthola kuphi?
Inbox me on my Facebook.
I think Facebook yakho so.
Makhosonke
Labanye bathumela fanele
You know,
imilakalaka
hey,
imagine if
men are rude.
back to men.
Yo,
Basicabanga amasela mlomeni wakhe.
I'm joking. So yeah, on Facebook, Makhosonke Ruby, go TikTok at Ruby M. So yeah, we're gonna talk, guys. We're gonna talk. If you want your business to be like promoted by me, hit me on my Instagram, hit me on my Facebook, hit me on my TikTok. Like we're gonna come because sana yatin fanele sithi nami guys on it. You understand? Yeah.
In 5 years to come, ufisa ukuthi bona ku.
Yo, not here. Sorry, Mpumalanga, but not here in Mpumalanga, not here in Nelspruit, no. Not even in 5 years to come. In the next 2 years, I do not want to see myself here. I do not want to see myself. I do not want to see myself anywhere near to poverty. So yeah, I'm fighting for good things. I'm fighting for a better life. I'm fighting for another place, not here in Mpumalanga, because wow, this province is not for me. This province is literally not for me. I cannot take it anymore.
Tired. Okay. So last but not least, ngibona ngathi unopromote kakhulu iChavza.
Oh,
yeah. Of Chavza.
Chavza, I was on the marketing team. Yeah, but it was a very amazing journey. I loved it. Chavza is a good place. I cannot say anything bad about it. I cannot say anything negative about it. It's a good place. But apparently, I'm not there. I'm not there anymore.
What?
And it's not like it's not something. It was just me focusing on other things. But I still go there. I would still advise people to go there. I'm still welcome. Like I do go there, but I'm not there anymore on the marketing team. But it was amazing. It is amazing. They should go there. There's a lot of things that's happening there. Like
that's a nice place.
Yeah, that's a very nice place.
I know, say Vada, guys. Like, share, please subscribe. Danko.
Bye-bye.